Hi, it's Bubble Tea. I am so excited for today's video because I got sponsored a lot of wigs from Youvimi. If you're not new to my channel, you probably already know about Youvimi because I've done hauls about them before, but this time it's going to be all wigs. I am so excited. I honestly think that Youvimi have some of my favorite wigs and clothes ever, and that's why I continue to work with them. So today's video is going to be about wigs, as I said, and I really think that I should sell some of my wigs that I don't use anymore because I have way too many wigs. I did a wig collection video like half a year ago, and then I had 24 wigs, and I've sold 5 of those on Depop, and now I have even more than 24. I haven't counted how many wigs I have or anything, but I'm guessing it's over 30 at least. But comment down below if you would like a updated wig collection video, because my old one is pretty outdated. Even though it's just like half a year old, I've gotten so many more wigs since that. So I have chosen 6 wigs from Youvimi, and I actually have a coupon code for you guys. It's BubbleChewT, and with that code you get 10% off your order. This is my real hair, by the way. I dyed it red and yellow, but it turned out orange. I like the color, but I feel like it doesn't go with my usual pastel aesthetic. Right now I'm wearing a red pinafore so that it matches with my hair. This is the first wig, and this is a bit of a different situation. I've never seen a wig like this before. I'm gonna show you. It's a cap with hair. So this is not your average full wig, it's more like a cap with hair sewn onto the edges. I've never had a wig like this, so I honestly don't know what to expect, but I thought it looked fun, so I wanted to try it out. The color is so pretty and looks really natural. Overall the hair looks pretty natural and the curls are so cute. This wig thing retails for $27, and there were so many different color options when choosing this kind of wig. So the color listings were pink hat black wig, pink hat brown black wig, pink hat brown wig,
black hat black wig, black hat brown black wig, and black hat brown wig.
I chose the pink hat, and I think it's the brown. You couldn't really see in the photos if it had bangs or not, but surprise surprise, it doesn't have bangs. Ooh, this is interesting. You can see the wig cap here, and I don't know, I could probably push the wig cap like further, and I don't even have that much hair anymore. I mean, obviously because my hair is short, it means that my wig caps are less bulky. I feel like my wig cap is gonna like whoop fall down so you can see it. Maybe they could have done it a little bit better. So this is it. This is how the wig looks like on. It is pretty long. I don't know how it looks like from the back, so you tell me if this looks good, because I obviously can't see how it looks like from the back. I feel like you have to be very careful so your wig cap doesn't like, pop out like this, because that's not a cute look. If only it would have a little bit of lace hair or something, that would probably be better. I feel like for photos at least, this would be a really cute look. It doesn't have bangs obviously, and I actually think I prefer no bangs. What if I wear this wig and I forget that it has a cap attached to it, and I take off my cap and I take off my whole hair? Then you can literally say that my wig snatched. This next wig is called Black Pink wig. Not the K-pop group Blackpink, but literally the colors black and pink. I feel like split dye wigs are either a hit or miss. I actually love the kind of split dye here when one side is black and the other side is a colorful like pink, for example. I've been wanting to dye my own hair that color, but to be honest, I'm a bit afraid of dyeing my hair black or a really dark color because then if I want to bleach my hair or have a light color again, I would have to go through so much bleaching, and I don't want to do that. So wigs it is. This shade of pink is so cute. This one retails for $34, by the way. Actually, all of these wigs are around $30. This wig has clips on the inside, by the way, one at the back and two at the front, and that's pretty rare, I think, for wigs that aren't full lace or lace fronts. I feel like I could wear this one a lot, at least for photo shoots. Now I know where I could wear this wig. If I ever go to a Blackpink concert, I'm definitely gonna wear this wig because Blackpink. I really want to see Blackpink live. I mean, I even have a Blackpink light stick, and it also gives me very pastel goth vibes. The curls are very soft and loose, just how I like it. I actually cut the bangs a little bit and curled the bangs, and it's also very accurate to the photos online, I think. So this is a short purple gradient wig. I love short wigs, if you didn't know already. This one looks really similar to another wig that I have, so I'm gonna have to compare them later and see how similar they are, but I love the colors. Oh my god. I already know I'm gonna love this wig because it's so pretty. And it looks very much the same in real life as on the photos on their web shop, so that's great. I could see myself wearing this wig a lot. And I love the thin bangs. That's so cute. I feel like this is a very everyday type of wig that I could just throw on if I'm having a bad hair day, for example. There are no clips inside, but I usually just pin down my wigs with bobby pins anyway, so it doesn't really bother me. The next wig is a pink one. This wig is pretty cute. You can definitely see that it's a wig though, because the hairs are looking very synthetic. It looks pretty identical to the photos online, but I thought it would have more purple highlights, because just looking at it like this, I can barely see any purple highlights. I don't know about this wig. I mean, I feel like I have so many pink wigs already. Well, I have a pink wig similar to this one, but it has dark roots, and this one doesn't have dark roots, so there's a bit of a difference at least. I don't know if I like this one or not. I'll have to see when I put it on. Well, it's not really one of my favorites. You can very much see that it's a wig because it has this synthetic shine to it, but I still feel very cute in it. It reminds me of those fairy K wigs that people used to wear in like 2013 or something. It gives me so much fairy K vibes. If I could change something about this wig, I would probably want the purple highlights to be like a bit more. Wow, this wig looks so realistic. The hair is very matte and it doesn't have like any shine to it. This wig also looks a bit similar to some other wigs that I have. Well, maybe because I have so many wigs already. The roots definitely look a bit darker in real life than they look on the website, but colors can be hard to capture on camera, so they look accurate to how they look in real life. But this is probably the most realistic looking wig out of all of these. So this is how it looks like on. I haven't cut the bangs at all, I've just curled the bangs a little bit. This one also has very thin bangs, and oh my god, I love this one so much. I honestly think you wouldn't even be able to tell that this is a wig. That's how realistic it looks. I feel a bit like... Can I speak to the manager? Why did I do that? I don't know. This is a great wig if you want a kind of natural looking wig, so I would definitely recommend this one. This is the last wig. I don't know what I was expecting about this wig. I almost forgot that I even chose it, but this is how it looks. It's a split dye red, almost orange and blue. I guess I wanted to try it out because the color combination seemed pretty unique. I don't know what to say about this color combo. It doesn't look bad, but it's not exactly one of my favorites either. Actually, now that I have it on, I kind of like it. And it looks great with this outfit that I'm wearing. I definitely feel like I could do some cool makeup looks with this wig, but I probably won't wear it out in public because I feel like I would get so much attention. Says the one who just dyed their hair red and yellow. I think I have no wigs that are similar to this one, so this is really a one-of-a-kind wig of mine. I think this marks the end of this video, and I hope that you liked this little wig haul. I myself definitely enjoyed it because I decided that I wouldn't open any of these wigs until I had filmed the video, so now I can finally start using these wigs as usual. I'll see you in the next video, which I don't know when I'll film the next video, but goodbye for this time.